Delivery.
Packages.
Good night, good night, good night. So I have about 554 packages for a Orain and Shadeka for F. Is that you?
Yes.
How would you like it now or maybe later?
Now.
Ooh, there you go. Nice doing business with you. And make sure to give us a good review.
I shall.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Such lovely people. Welcome guys, and we're back with the next one.
Yes.
And we're doing something that we've never done before. Actually, we have a unboxing for you guys, an Amazon haul unboxing. So we're gonna show you guys what we got. As you saw, it was just delivered like 2 seconds ago. Literally it was. And we're gonna show you what we have, some goodies in store. And guys, all of this was, well, I say very affordable, honestly. And we know all come, especially when it comes to shopping in Jamaica online, I'm not paying customs any money, so everything has to be under $50 at least per order. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Wait, I went him start. Look how wait.
We can't wait for you.
You a Christmas present that you searched the day before.
Which one is that?
Alright, so I'm gonna show you the small one first. So right here, this, I think this is supposed to be the everything that don't here, so
it don't matter, suppose one to letter before we read.
but that's what I heard. Since the letter in there before we read, guys, let me be bougie. And you make more be bougie.
You look like you're struggling.
Pay for this, Jesus.
You want me to?
Yeah, pay for this.
You see, I almost cut something.
You never put none of you with the extra close to you. See, nothing like Jesus, people not in there but one dry box, one dry bulla, one chair. They are follow your mabella.
You know I was on paper.
They are follow your mabella. People for no one look. No, sir.
Which one is that?
This is the external hard drive. So guys, of course, as you can see, we're doing YouTube.
2 terabytes.
And space is something that is very important to us. Because we have to be deleting like videos and those stuff. So this is a 2 terabyte external hard drive. And I know we have other people out there that watch us that are content creators or just need space, because even me before this, I love taking pictures, so I needed space, and this was quite affordable for 2 terabytes.
Link will be in the description.
Link will be in the description, guys. We'll hook you guys up with something. We're actually I'm going to test it, actually,
It feels sturdy.
Never test it out first, yeah, guys. If the link is in the description, we'll test it after. If the link is in the description, guys, that means, we don't have much problem with it. We'll do an update as well with this, probably not vlog.
And plus it comes with a card,
C+,
to this and your
the computer. It's basic. And it's easy to carry, like a little pen lighter or whatever.
Yeah.
Next one, guys. So we have our external hard drive. And as I said, everything affordable here, and we'll have the links to some of these in the description. Everything is Orain. So you want to read it? How much thing you buy, so?
Guys, I will heap of things to order, and this not look like everything to me. Is it that they put mine and yours in one box?
So wait, you tell Amazon say you other things different from me?
No.
But how about the
Alright,
special
so
treatment?
my one is an earbud. My earbud will come in the one next time.
In Amazon comment this.
Why not give the kitty out of the bag already?
The kitty?
Yes.
Oh, the tutti. Oh
That's
God.
a good
We're gonna bleep it. We're gonna bleep it.
Well, earphone.
Boy.
Yes, this is mine!
Get my Fenugreek. Boy, my Fenugreek. Oh, people, yes. I had nice try to grow the long ear. Yes, people. I grow my ear, so the Fenugreek. We are growing with ear, people. So the Fenugreek is a must, and it's good for seasoning as well. Gonna cook with it, gonna eat with it, Bathe with ear nights and treatments. Fenugreek, I'm in name. My Fenugreek, I'm in name.
Yes.
Oh gosh.
And the link for these will be in the description.
These
also.
are good for hair growth and for eating as well, trust me.
You can't eat that.
You can research it. Neem powder and fenugreek, they're
You
really
can
good.
eat those?
Of course.
Yeah.
Sloop and rice. Oh my gosh, the OG is back.
Yes, guys, you're not have to ask for this. You're not have to ask.
Well, some people need to
You're not
know.
have to ask.
It's it's a tripod, and this is the original tripod that. This is the OG. Oh my god! Before I even started YouTube, and I wanted a tripod to film my hair stuff, because guys, I have a wig business. Check me out at the Wig Factor. Go over there if you're not following me as yet.
The link for her page will be in the description.
Yeah, I bought one of these to record those stuff, and it's what we end up using when we just started our channel. And it's a video right now.
The phone is on one of these.
Yeah, the original one I bought.
Version of these.
So I got one more.
Have that one?
From 2018, so it lasts, guys. So if you're just starting off and you want, just for any reason why you would want it, it's very affordable. It's like less than $5. It's hella cheap.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it in the
and
description, so I know it's good. I'm going to put the link into the description. It's very flexible, so you can catch it up on a piece of box if you want, like this right now. You can split it out long and grown like this, wherever you need to get your shot.
And you know this goes
on top of the phone, and it's adjustable, so you know if you have a big Note phone or your iPhone, it can go in there. So this
it's good for vlogging. So you can hold it and vlog.
It's a this one I don't regret buying this at all. It's a very good one.
This is the next one. This one actually comes in a box.
That one that high.
That one I look good, man.
That one that high one. You see when you're going with the things, guys, you have to upgrade, you know, you have to upgrade. You have to upgrade. So but with the original,
this come with remote, people.
That's bad.
It come with a remote.
Orain.
That one I look stush.
Orain. Too big.
Like if we are walking, we have to take it up, it just spin and follow it.
So, you know, it's
just touch it and follow it. People.
Hold on. Flap, camera flashes. Chinga. Yes, nice.
That one I look good, man. I like. You know look bad.
These are must-haves.
Look cheap though, cause this lean.
Cheap must-haves.
That's something.
So when does start, guys? Nobody look on too much expensive things. Yeah, without working our budget, guys. As we say, everything in each box is under $50.
And this is metal, so it's sturdy. Yeah, it's good. So you know who I'm gonna do a leap of vlogging.
Yo, guys, so we get our things them up. We'll have some things in store for the man.
This is adjustable, guys. So you can put your phone in there.
We have some things in store for you guys. Thanks to all thanks to all of you who have been supporting us thus far. Share to all you guys share to all that haven't known Orain, that doesn't know Orain and Shadeka forever as yet. And new content to come. And we're coming hard with them, man.
So if you're new to our channel, please subscribe.
Okay. So the link to these two tripods will be in the description, guys. So if you're interested in either of them for whatever purpose, you can go and check it out. It won't hurt.
Show them. Yep. And show them this, babe. Show them this.
And now
that is mine.
Yes, it's Orain's wireless earbuds. I bought one for myself. Not this exact version. I bought one for myself a good while now. And he liked them, so he wanted to get for himself.
It's a small.
No, so this is a big. Okay, so this is a surprise, girls. You guys are getting our live reactions. Well,
it's so small.
Well,
what is that? A 1 or 2?
No, if you didn't know, tell you, you'll be buy the headphones with me. Well, actually, it's not bad, you know. The case is kind of deceptive. It's good.
The case is just for.
Guys, we're going to test all of these. These are new. And as I said, if we like them, the link will definitely be in the description.
If you don't see the link in the description,
they ain't bangers.
Them not good.
So you know, these are them rechargeable case.
Them feel sturdy.
Charger comes right here.
So guys, we're going to test them off camera because testing them now it will take up a lot of time.
Yeah, and we're just here for the unboxing so you guys see our live reactions. And if you know, I know some of you guys are looking for affordable, cheap tech or any of these things, we just want to help you guys out as well. So we're gonna show you what we have. If you're interested, we provide links for you guys. So
yes, people.
It's there for you.
Now the second box.
These are my headphones, guys. The Fenugreek. I'm in need. Yes. Ooh, the ear are nice.
The second biggest box, Miss Shadeka. Be careful with this one.
Alright guys, so we did a camera switch and Orain couldn't wait, but we're going to the new tripod.
So I use one of the new tripod. If the camera look, you tell us guys. What is that? What is that? What is that?
Oh, they feel light. Oh yes, sorry. Yes, this is my headphones. And that is the microphones. Guys, we say we are upgrade with things whenever they are joking.
Yep. So which one am I going to first? Your headphone or the mic? The mic them feel. Shadeka, the mic them feel.
What?
Them no feel cheap.
And guys, as I said, each box is under $50. I mean, when we do things, you know, we just do one thing and go through, you know, man. But we don't have to buy everything, of course, as we know.
And everything here, guys, is affordable. This don't cost $30. It costs $30?
No, it doesn't even cost $20. So.
It don't even cost $20, guys.
So honestly, it's not hard to upgrade a thing.
If
you can do it slowly.
Yeah, if you're watching this video, you do YouTube, these things, get them because they are very affordable.
They're
and
cheap.
they're nice.
But anyways, to y'all people who wanted some headphones like me, yeah, me. Here is a goodie, under $25, of course. Probably under $20 now. I know Amazon still them love raise and drop price too. Coming in own case, Power Lotus, guys. Power Lotus, yes. Gotta show you guys.
Power Lotus no smells alright. Smell like
you see, we're not used to new things, people. We're not used to the foreign scent.
COVID, that smell like foreign scent.
We're not used to the foreign scent for you. So guys, I have my warranty for 24 months. But the USB cable will have the aux cord as well. Yeah, so guys, like I was saying, it comes with an aux cord with a mic. Of course, it's a Bluetooth headphones. And let's get to the meat of the equipment. Yeah, guys, you know me. I have to get the rose gold. Gotta be stunting with a little color.
So like broke out.
I'm like, heck to the no. Amazon and me with that in a problem. But oh, this is so nice. Look at it. This looks like luxury. Look at it. This is so nice, and of course it's extendable. So all the big, to the the big head, fam. Oh, it is comfy. Yeah, I feel it. I'm not exaggerating or anything. It's comfy.
You have come back to Beats Into FM. I'm your DJ, Orain. We'll be listening to some smooth jam. Oh, baby.
And yes, guys, it comes in a case, a portable case. So, yeah.
I was gonna say, it's on my lady.
He wanted this. I'm like, we couldn't wait. We don't need it because our voice is projecting well. So, although a lot of time in the editing we have to bulk it. You guys don't know, but this is what he definitely wanted.
This is the mic, people. See if it
oh my gosh! And it's two, guys. And I said it's under $20. So
Jesus.
it is an extremely good deal.
So look here, people. We can hear loud and clear in our next video.
Smooth and nice.
And as you see, I have two of them. How much did you pay for them?
It was under $20. So it was about $18 or so.
Yep.
So you two nice. Might come with extra muffs and this aux injection thing. And it comes with extra long cords too. Because this is a cord hookup.
Yes, so you can plug out them here and plug them in that. So everything's set.
It comes with a case to carry it in. Everybody have to know your business.
YouTube no good again. And as I said, guys, link to these items will be in the description, so you can click on it, check them out, purchase a few items if you have a channel or you do reviews on Instagram and them something. And
not just for the reviews, for items like these, but for the headphones and the name for hair growth and the earbuds, all the different things, even just the Terabyte. If you need it, the link will be there for the description.
So yes, people, as you can see, I'm unboxing this one.
The holy grail, guys. What would it be? What will it be, guys? Guys, comment in the description. I pause the video.
And comment down in the description. And
what do you think this would be? To give you a hint, it's for what you call it?
It's for the improvement of
No. It's towards our YouTube channel.
Yes.
The YouTubers need this, so comment down below what you think it is.
I feel like a child at Christmas. Get them little ear done in
No, I'm gonna ear them. Let me
stop
come
saying COVID come on. So a ear in there, no foreign ear.
Really?
I don't like them. Them send some big. You know what I mean if you not see the
Hello,
one.
I'm unboxing video this. Go on, show.
Some big crocus bag full of ear.
And guys, I hope you guys have made your guesses and get ready to see what it is.
Tam tam tam. I hope you can see it. I don't know. Yeah. It is our 12-inch selfie ring light kit.
Woo! We're gonna look bright like a diamond. Hey, shine bright like a diamond. Oh guys, this was one of our #1 reason why we actually started to buy on Amazon.
Yeah, #1 come with this thing, see?
Yeah, but it's a phone.
I very same thing, see?
Yeah, but this one is cheap.
And it comes with a light.
It comes with a light, really.
Wait. It's alright. I don't know about this one. You have to check for the light, man.
So guys, it's 12 inches. You know, most people usually get 10 inches, and it was $30, guys. That's hella cheap. People pay $100 for ring light and a 10-inch ring light. $30. It comes with a stand as well. It's not just. It goes up to 66 inches. It comes with 2 phone holders. You even get one for the car. A little extra added bonus to it, and it comes at different lightings. Yes. Comes at temperature. It has temperature control as well, and of course it's remote controlled.
Not that I know how to work the remote, but.
And here's the user manual. We're gonna find out how to use these bad boys real soon. But as I said, it has different brightness and different temperature modes as well.
And this is the stand.
Goes up to 66 inches.
So like a professional. Alright, so yes. And I guess the legs are adjustable.
You guess? Of course it is. It goes up to 66 inches.
This is the full length of it.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Can't put out anymore.
This is?
Yes, this
okay,
is
so
the length
66.
of it. Yeah, good length this. See? So all of the foot them. This. Yeah.
And as I said, guys, it's $30. Most of these expensive ring lights are like $100. So this is a good start.
And it even come with a little level. No, like what the side man them use to make sure so the wall straight. There's a little level in here.
Wow.
See?
So we can make sure that.
So when you bring it up.
Oh wow! Look at this.
Make sure say oh it's straight. Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
So
Alright,
guys.
so box cover, run out of package. And this is the bag. Run out of packages, people, so.
As I said, this is the car. It came with a little extra. So this will be awesome when we're doing road vlogs now.
Okay, that can go in the car?
Yeah, this is for the car. We'll hook up on the car, see?
That's cool.
Yeah, so you get added bonus with it. Anyways guys, this was our unboxing video. As I said, links to each items will be in the description, especially if we're okay with it. We don't want to get links to things that you guys will regret buying or have a bad experience with.
Right.
We're gonna test them out, and if guys you want an updated video on how these things work, let us know, or even a specific video how we plan to use like items like this to grow our hair, because we've started growing out our hair and started a hair growth journey. If you want more information on it, you can let us know in the comment section below. Remember to leave that comment, guys. It's important. Yeah.
And if I don't see an item in the description, that means we weren't pleased with it, so we're not share.
Yeah.
Basically that way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, guys, so if you have made it this far in the video, please like, share, comment, and always subscribe.
Guys, help us on our journey. We're growing fast. We like to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year.
Yes.
We don't know if it's too much. We're asking, but I don't think we're asking too much. I hope we're not. But we're on our journey to get at least 1,000 subs. Yeah. So thanks for the support so far, guys. You guys have made this journey so far one that has been fun and enjoyable, and we hope that you'll be here for the rest of it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye. I'll get you some things in the description.